Hello friends, this is Veronica, and you know what time it is. It's cafecito time. Welcome to my channel, House of Cid, where I make videos on coffee reviews, coffee recipes, coffee adventures, and all things from the wonderful world of coffee, because you know we love cafecito here. And I just wanted to make this short video because last week's video, I made a video doing an unboxing haul of the Lavazza Nespresso compatible capsules that I bought on Amazon, just to show you guys that you could find deals on Amazon and you could buy a variety pack, and just kind of showing you what's available. And silly me, I didn't actually show you what the coffee looked like. I didn't do a taste test. I didn't brew the coffee. What was I thinking? So anyways, today I'm going to do that because some of you left me messages, comments letting me know, oh, I thought you were going to make the coffee. Let us know what it tastes like. So here I am. I'm going to brew 2 of the capsules for you today and give you my review on them. So stick around and make sure you subscribe for all our coffee content. I make videos every Wednesday, Sunday, and Wednesday. So hit that subscription button, notification button, and make sure you like our videos. Okay, let's get started. So we're going to get started with the review. I'm going to do only 2 of them. I did get 5 different varieties. I already drank some of them. So far, so good. But I wanted to show you just like the most common one, which is the Espresso Armonico Intensity 8. And this is what it looks like. The Lavazza. And I showed you what the boxes look like. It has the name of it, intensity level. They're compatible with the Nespresso machines. You get 10 of them, expiration date. So we're going to open them. And I showed you in the other video that these are plastic, not aluminum. And they do have the name on the foil. When I first opened them up and I threw them in my little canister, I was like, oh no, I'm not going to know which one it is because some of them are the same color, but it does have the name on the little foil here, just so you guys know. Okay, so Espresso Armonico, the full and velvety body of Brazilian origins and the sweetness of the coffees from Central and South America combine in this blend, having a round taste, enveloping notes of toasted grains and caramel. So let's see. So my machine's on here. Oh, this is going to be an espresso. Pop it in there and make sure I have it on the right setting because sometimes I put it on the wrong one. Smells good. Okay, here we go. That's a good head of crema there. You guys see that? Oh, look at that. The little layer action. I like that. It does smell a little, I do smell like a little sweet caramel scent in it. It doesn't give a whole lot of description other than notes of toasted grain and caramel. And it says, blend having a round taste of enveloping notes of toasted grains and caramel. Okay, so let's taste it. Cafecito. Okay, so this is an intensity 8. It is a little intense, a little dark. Okay, that's pretty good. It's not as smooth as some of the other like Nespresso coffees. I do taste a little bit of bitterness, which isn't always a bad thing, but it does have a little bit of bitterness. Yeah, it's pretty good. Not bad at all. I don't really think it tastes the same as like the ground coffee, regular Lavazza coffee you make, but it's pretty good. Definitely would not drink this as a espresso shot on its own. This definitely would be something that I would mix with milk. You know, make a cappuccino, a latte. Someone in my other video left a comment that they found these for a super great deal, like $11 on the warehouse, which they didn't know about till I told them. So yay. Anyway, she said she likes these because they are less expensive and you could use 2-3 to make your drinks and not feel like bad or guilty, because the espresso ones can be a little expensive. So if you are like a 2, 3, 4 shot type of person, then yeah, you're going to spend a lot of money. But when you get these deals, and these are not probably as smooth to drink single shots, then yeah, use them for your ice drinks, for your quad venti lattes or whatever you guys like. So not bad at all. You guys, look at the crema, still like all there. It hasn't dissipated like some of the other ones. So yeah, it's pretty thick. I like it. Okay, now let's move on to the Lungo Leggero Intensity 4. So this is a Lungo coffee and the intensity is a 4. So it's light, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. So it opens up the same. Cute little yellow capsules. The sweetness of the Brazilian Arabica coffees and the delicate aromatic notes of the African washed Arabica coffees are combined to form a prestigious blend with a delicate and aromatic flavor and extraordinary fruity and floral notes. Okay, so this is a little fruity and floral, and it does have the name on the foil. You probably can't see it, but it does. So they're cute, plastic. So let's brew this one and try it out. Okay, I don't have Lungo cups, which I think I need to get some, because why not? Let's get some Lungo cups. So if you guys have a recommendation for some Lungo cups, let me know. This is like a regular coffee mug cup, but that's okay. So. Okay, let's see this. So a Lungo is like a larger shot of espresso, which is almost like 3 ounces, I believe. So yeah, this is good. A lot of people like to make Lungos for Americanos, or, you know, you could make 2 Lungos and have more like a regular sized cup of coffee. So that's what it looks like. Crema's pretty good on this one. I'm trying to see if I get any fruity or floral notes. So I'm not really getting much of a scent from this one. With the Espresso Armonico, I did get like a caramelly sweet scent. This one, not so much. But let's taste it. Definitely light. This one is definitely light. Oh, I like it. This one is a little more smoother. I don't taste any bitterness to it. It is a very light flavor though. So if you like light coffee, check out the Leggero from Lavazza. This one, I think I could drink black, no sugar, no creamer, no milk, no nothing. Oh, I like it. Very light, smooth, even though it's light. I know some people are like, oh, I don't like light coffees. But no, this one is, it's good. It's smooth. It's not very bitter. It doesn't like, you know, as you can see when I drank the other one, I had a reaction. This one is just like, oh, mellow, smooth, light. I like it. You guys, these are pretty good. If you are a fan of the regular Lavazza coffee, ground coffee, espresso, give these a try. They're pretty affordable. You get some good deals on Amazon. I'll leave the link to the deal I got. And remember, I told you guys if you sign up for the subscription, you could get an even better deal. One thing that I do have to warn you about, because they are plastic, be careful when you put them in. Over the weekend, I just threw it in kind of like roughly, like I wasn't careful. I just opened it up and I just kind of threw it in, and it fell kind of weird and it got stuck. Yeah, it got stuck. So I'm not saying it got stuck because it's plastic, or if it's because the way I threw it in there. And then also I have noticed that if my little tray here is full, it does tend to get the capsules stuck because they won't fall all the way. So just be careful when you're putting them in there. Try to be a little gentle. I thought, like trying to make a dunk or something. I just threw it in there and it got a little crooked. It fell a little crooked and it got stuck, but I was able to get it out. So just be careful. Other than that, I haven't had any issues with these being plastic capsules. They have worked fine for me. The only thing is you do have to separate them from your Nespresso recycling. So these are not recyclable. You'll just have to throw them in the trash. But other than that, I think they're good. They're definitely something that I would like to have on hand. Sometimes you want something different, or you just don't have a lot of money to buy the Nespresso ones. But I just like having the variety. So I do buy the Nespresso capsules. I buy the Lavazza, the Starbucks, the Illy. I just like having the variety. I know there's some people who just like to drink the same coffee all the time. Not me. I like the variety. So that's it, you guys. I do recommend these. Try them out. From these two, I think I like, here we go. From these two, I think I like the Leggero Lungo better than this one. This one's good for cappuccinos, lattes, and your iced lattes or drinks. I would not really drink this as a straight shot. This one I could drink, no problem, no milk, no sugar. But yeah, give them a try. Definitely give them a try. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoy my videos. Please make sure you're giving us thumbs up. It really helps our channel grow. Share our videos with your coffee-loving friends and family. Tell them to come on over and subscribe. And if you haven't subscribed yet, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and subscribe. According to my analytics, only 10% of the people watching my videos have subscribed. So the other 90%, you guys, come on. Go subscribe. I don't like to force people to subscribe, but it would really, really help me out, and I would really appreciate it if you are watching these videos and you have not subscribed. Go subscribe, hit the notification button so you know when our videos are coming. And yeah, give us a like, and that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. We'll see you next time with some more cafecito. Now I'm going to go enjoy my coffees. Ugh.